guys, I'm at the Glass DT. Yeah, I think we are good to go over here with all the Easter. Yes, on all this Philly's good. Oh my goodness, I thought it was just a cup. I did grab this one already, right? So yeah, they had the popcorn bucket. That is actually cute. I really like that. In the cart. Here are the 2 packs of cups right here, BPA free. In the cart. Yes, on the tumbler. These are so darn cute. So I'm guessing it's kind of like the Eagles, and you know, every city has the different teams, things rocking, right? Yes, in the cart. And then they have the, you know, serving trays, right? I will probably never have a Phillies party. It's not like football, you know, I'm all about that. But these are cute. Oh my goodness, wait a minute. Now, these are an absolute must. They're back clips. That is crazy. And they're magnetic. You better stop it on that. In the cart. A moisturizing, this is personal care, a moisturizing post-shave serum. This is Wildflowers. It says pH balance for the whole body. So that's rocking. Yes, okay, so all 4 are here now. The 3-in-1 kids body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. This is a big old mask. I haven't seen this one. Brighten and rejuvenating. Avocado and retinol is rocking. These masks, yeah, I saw this one first. Citrus Sunburst, brightening and tone. We saw this one in the last video, revitalizing firming. And then the Kiwi Fusion is detoxing and restoring. So those 3 are rocking. So here we go with the Laneige dupes, right? We did see all of these, the mango, the berry, and the gummy bear. I picked up all 3, one for me, one for you. Yes. Girl, this thing is here. Oh my goodness. The only thing I see in there are the new nail clippers we just grabbed. Let me go in. Oh my goodness. The slanted ones. Yeah, so I picked this one up already. Isn't this packaging so pretty? By Be Pure. The teen regular pads are here. 10 count. Oh, they have wings too. Yes on that. No dyes, no chlorine, no fragrance. So this one and this one right here, these are the super ones. The packaging is so darn pretty. Yes, on the dollar sauces, we saw these. I don't think I told you how I was rocking with this new Elmhurst, right? So the dairy-free cashew creamer, I grabbed all of them, I feel like. So the cinnamon churro is rocking. It's rocking. It's a little bit sweet, right? I guess it should be. So that one is good. Oh, I didn't pick up the unsweetened. I don't want it to be unsweetened. The caramel something, I think it was, right? Because you know I don't like caramel and I don't see it here. I don't like it. So darn. And it was one more right now, I can't remember, and they're not all here. If I come across it again, I'll tell you how I'm rocking. So when I was in Dollar General, they had a 2-pack spray, right, for $1, and these are $1.25. So yeah, I did pick them up over there. And these are the tissues like the Mickey and the Minnie I grabbed from Dollar General. They're just like this, but over there it was $1. All right, quick and fast. I just got Philly stuff. Oh my goodness, and some Power Blend. Yeah, hubby is gonna love these bag clips for his chips. Yes on that. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Oh wait, look at these. These are different. Why I pick up an E? Hold on. Yes, that's better. That's nice. Different. All the letters are up here. I haven't seen this. Yeah, that black and white is fire. I thought it was matte at first, but it's not. All right. That's it. I'll see you soon. Bye. I'm back again. I need another pair of these. Yes. In the cart. All right, bye. Here it is. I'm back. The lady in front of me had this in her cart. I missed it. Some new seasoning. How you say that? Lima? Jalapeno? That's rocking. In the cart. Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. So I am back over here. Let me spin around. I was going to say I am back over here in the Easter Good because I need to do the big basket, right? So I think I'm good over here. So I'm just going to do a big basket. Oh my goodness. How cute is this? I feel like I've seen it in the past, but I haven't seen it this year. These are so darn cute, that butt. So yeah, I'm going to do a big old basket for all of us. I may stick a couple things in there for myself, but for hubby and the girls. So yeah, I can't use stuff like this. I don't want to do anything that's gonna possibly, you know, be harmful to Hershey. So instead, I will use different colored tissue paper in the bottom. And even if she does get to this, she'll just rip it. She won't eat it. You know what I mean? In the cart. Yes. I was walking up the toy aisle and hoping, I didn't think they would be over here though, but I wanted one of these. Yes. In the cart. The basket is a little more grown up, right? This year, but the girls still are into what they are into. So, you know, Sid is very much into Barbie. So I'm just going to grab her this. It's just, you know, something small to stick in there in the cart. So I did grab these already. Pete the cat, ready for spring. I think it's 2. Here it is. What's that say? Spring fun for Kara because she's all into Pete the cat. You guys know I am not a candy girl really, right? And neither is Kara, but Sydney and hubby is, so I'll find something that they might rock. All right, I'm feeling this candy up here a little bit more. So I'm gonna grab, are these? The peanut butter cups. I'm gonna grab these in the cart. The Rice Krispies, milk chocolate, and cereal. Oh my goodness, in the cart. Oh yes, for me. I love Bark so much. Oh my goodness. So this is chocolate candies, Tutti Fruit chips, and sprinkles. Which one do I want to rock? Hold on. I had to think about it for a second. I'm going to keep it just chocolate candies, right? Yes, on that. In the cart. I will not be getting jelly beans. Let me grab these because I'm looking at it. In the cart. Oh, these are back. Miss Girl, I'm trying to grab it and this is here. But it's clear, so, you know. Oh, my goodness. So yes, on the cleansing oil, I haven't seen this. Makeup remover, so that's rocking. I was about to do like this. Oh my goodness, I want to rip this off right here. The jade roller and, oh yeah, I remember these, but they were a different color. The stainless steel gawasha. Is that how you say it? Miss Girl, oh my goodness. It's hold on. Oh, okay, I thought it was different colors. All right. So that's rocking. Get out of here though with the cleansing oil. All of these, the brushes are back. I remember these from last year. I have some. I was just looking at them too. It was 2 colors though, right? Like a blue and a pink. It's purple this year. Like I felt like it was this color or something. I don't even remember anymore. Yes, on the purple detangler comb. In the cart. Some of the headbands are down here. Cute, right? The pink and the blue. What's this Be Pure back here? Ow, exfoliating bath glove. That one. Oh, that's the same thing. And the pink. Oh, it has a little hole here. Feel the texture. That's what it say. That is funny. So that and then the pedicure set back here. Miss Girl, I'm all the way on the floor. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh, the wristbands. Like when you're washing your face and things so it doesn't drip. Oh, that's what it says too. Keeps water from dripping down your arms. Yes, on that. So that's rocking. And the headbands here for skincare routines and applying makeup. Yes. Oh, I see them now. I had to get up off the floor. So it's the purple ones. I think I have like pink and blue or something, I feel like. But they have these. And here's the other color of the detangling comb. Did I say brush earlier? I don't know what I said, but yes. Oh, how cute is that stuff? I love it. What's it say? Mama. On both sides. That is super cute. I do not need, I have a huge bag full of these bags. That's insane. But I love them so much. In the cart. Yes, here's another one. I wonder if it's more. This one is really pretty. Mama with the blue hydrangeas, right? Isn't that what they are? I think so. That is cute. Do I need this too? I don't need this. I would get it if I was a boy mom. So since I'm a girl mom, I'm gonna stay with the pink. Yes. Oh, nice. The makeup sponges with the pouch. That pouch is really, really cute. I love this. I don't want that color. In the cart. Yes, on these wipes right here, the BioPure, the Citrus Grove, and Coconut Lemon. Yes, so I already grabbed these. Yes, let me talk about this quick and fast. This is fire. Oh my goodness, my skin is, the word is going to be supple. It is so smooth. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this. Yes, on the Neutrogena dupe. Let me scoot it on over. Is this new? This green cactus flower is very pretty, right? Yes on that. Oh no, here's a watermelon basil. Okay. Oh, here's some more down here. Yes, they are stocked. It is fire. Supple skin. Oh, this box is new. Oh, they look like a nose strip. 37-piece set, drug-free and non-drying. Visibly absorbs dirt and oil. Includes 36 round patches and 1 nose strip on that. Yes. In the cart. Yes. Let me see what's rocking. Tom and Jerry up top. I haven't seen that next to Fred. Oh, these either. I like this one. That one. We saw these. Is this the one with the crayon? No, this is different. I don't know what that says. Happy? Hold on. Miss Girl, it don't say nothing about happy. It says ha ha. That is funny. E.T. is rocking. All right. Sonic. South Park. Yeah, I haven't seen that one. Oh, is this the crayon? I had them one the other day. That is so funny. We are good to go with these masks. I feel like, all right, we're good. These are hubby's favorite. I'm going to stick these in the basket. In the cart. Oh, nice. I don't think I've seen these. It's 7 in here. Citrus fresh scent on the Arm & Hammer dishwasher detergent. I had to say that slow. So yes, let me grab these from my car. Disinfectant wipes, kills 99.9. Yes, in the cart. Yes, on all the Phillies good. I grabbed this in the last store. All right, let me see what's in my cart. Yes, on the disinfectant wipes. I threw these trays in here. The stuff and the mama. I got you a pink mama. The Almond Joy. Yes, on these makeup sponges. It's the pouch that I love so much. I got you one too. I grabbed this, right? Oh, I put this soup in here. Girl, you know me and the chicken noodle. Yes on that. Yes on the comb. That's going in the basket. Yes on the bark, right? Tissue paper, Rice Krispie chocolate, Barbie rocking. What else I got? Oh, a couple things over there, some straws. All right, I'm good to go. I'll see you soon. Bye. Yes, on the flashlights. Look. That is funny. Oh, my goodness. Super cute. You know what I didn't see? Any of the hand sanitizers. And this one is rocking. Miss Girl. All right, bye. Oh, these are the ones they got in checkout. Miss Girl, I don't want that. All right, bye.